Hello everyone, another question from GRE question set. F of x equals to x to the power of 2 plus 1. The question is for which values of x f of x is equal to f of 1 over x. F of x is x to the power of 2 plus 1. F of 1 over x, we should replace x with 1 over x. So it is 1 over x to the power of 2 plus 1. And they are equal. We can cancel out 1. So x to the power of 2 is 1 over x to the power of 2. And x to the power of 4 is 1, so x can be positive 1 or negative 1. We can choose these choices. And it is obvious because if x equals 1, then 1 over x also is equal 1. So f of x is equal to f of 1 over x because x is 1 over x. And if x is negative 1, 1 over x is negative 1. So again, f of x is equal to f of 1 over x. But we should remember it is not always true. For example, if x equals 2 or x equals to negative 2. F of 2 is 5. And f of negative 2 also is 5. 2 and negative 2 are not equal, but their value in the function are equal. So sometimes x1 and x2 are not equal, but their value in the function are equal.